Hello, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids and a few adults learn how to draw. Today's drawing video is about how to draw an Easter egg. It's not that hard to make one look like it's really round. Let me show you how. The art supplies you're going to need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. For some extra help, you can also download this free matching tutorial from my website. And before any drawing begins, take a minute to create some guidelines on your paper. You just need to fold and crease your paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really help as you try to figure out where your lines need to go. Step number 1. It helps to plan how tall and wide you want your egg to be, so make some small notches first, and then connect them with a large curved line. Step number 2, check the spacing on the right, match it with a notch on the left, and finish the egg shape with a long, matching curved line. Step number 3, now I'm going to divide the egg up into sections, but not with straight lines. They need to be curved ones like this. I'm adding another pair of curved lines here, and a skinnier pair of curved lines here. Step number 4, do the same for the bottom half of the egg, watching that the right and left side of the curves match each other. Eggs are always very symmetrical. Step number 5, now comes the fun part, adding some patterns. One option is a kind of scalloped line like this, or some large petal shapes like this. Whatever you do choose though, make sure the left side matches the right side. Step number 6. If there are some spaces left open, it's fun to add some floating circles in there. Patterns that touch the top and bottom lines are fun too, and make some closed shapes that could be filled in with different colors. Step number 7. I'm going to add some U-shaped lines now, but feel free to do whatever you want to draw on your egg. Whatever you choose though, I do recommend that you make them kind of large so your drawing doesn't take too long to finish. Now step number 8 followed by step number 9. It's time to trace this egg with a good black marker. There's no need to rush through it. Working slowly always helps. And when that tracing is done, you can add a grass line somewhere in the background. Now, before any coloring is done, it's really smart to erase any pencil lines that are still showing, so your drawing looks really extra clean. Okay, and now it's coloring time. I've decided to work with these 5 colors, but you can certainly use any that you want. I'm going to start with the dark purple. And I think I'll repeat it a couple of times before I put it down. Next is what I call the raspberry purple color. I'm going to spread that color out in a few different places too. Next is the yellow-green color. I'm going to add that in a few different places too. And on second thought, I think I'll add some extra green here. I'm trying to space my colors out so there's about an even amount of each one. So that means I'll add a little bit more dark purple here. And now I have a golden yellow color that's going to go in the rest of the spaces. I always love the warm yellow color it makes. Okay, now for that background grass. I'm going to start with that light yellow-green color again. Remember, you always need to press really extra hard with these light colors. And here's a little trick to make a medium shade of green. Just add a dark green on top of your light green and you'll end up with something in between. As a bonus, it will kind of look like it has some texture to it. Finally, all that is left to color is the sky. Some careful coloring with a light blue crayon will add some nice contrast to your drawing. So there is my finished drawing of an Easter egg. You know, there are many ways to draw one, but if you do want it to look round, it really helps to start with those curved lines like I showed you. And as always, I want to thank you for drawing with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this Easter egg drawing video. You can check out my website, Arch Projects for Kids, for more drawing tutorials like how to draw the Easter Bunny and how to draw a baby chick. I'll see you next time and hope you keep on drawing.